Today, we're diving into a massive, high-stakes puzzle. How do you actually build the factories that build our future? Let's jump right in. Just think about an electric car for a second. It's not just one thing. It's this incredible symphony of thousands of parts, all working in perfect harmony. So how on earth do you go from a pile of raw materials to a complex, high-tech vehicle that rolls off the line flawlessly, day after day?
Well, in reality, it's a massive, incredibly intricate puzzle. A modern factory is this whole ecosystem of thousands of specialized robots, hundreds of unique processes, and just a flood of data. Every single piece has to fit together perfectly. If even one little thing is out of place, the entire system can just grind to a halt. Okay, so who are the master architects behind these automated wonders? When a company decides, hey, we need a new factory, who's the one they call to turn that empty space into a humming production line?
To figure that out, we first need to really wrap our heads around the sheer scale of this puzzle. It's not about just one machine. It's about a complex web of super advanced interconnected systems, and every single one has a critical job to do.
So let's break down the key pieces. You've got robots handling super precise tasks like welding and gluing. You've got these sprawling assembly lines that move everything along. Then there's warehouse automation making sure all the parts get where they need to go right on time. And at the very end, every single product goes through intense testing. Tying all of this together is this digital nervous system. That's the heart of Industry 4.0, where data and connectivity run the whole show.
And this is where the hero of our story comes in. The master puzzle solvers who make all this happen, they're called systems integrators.
Now, a turnkey systems integrator. Think of them as both the master architect and the general contractor for a factory, all rolled into one. They manage the entire process, from the very first blueprint in an empty building to the moment that first perfect product is ready. They design it, build it, and deliver a fully operational facility. They literally just hand the keys over to the client.
For our case study today, we're looking at a company called Ete Robotics. Their tagline, a value-adding solutions house, just nails it. It perfectly captures their mission. See, they don't just sell you machines. They deliver custom-built solutions to some of the most complex manufacturing challenges out there.
So how do they actually do it? Let's take a look at the journey a company like Ete Robotics takes to bring a factory roaring to life.
The whole journey kicks off with meticulous planning and design, using advanced software to map out every single detail. After that comes the physical part, the manufacturing and setup of all the assembly lines and robotic cells. Then, that's followed by a super rigorous validation phase to make sure every single component is working perfectly. And finally, they oversee the production startup, getting that factory up to full speed. You can really split their work into two main buckets. Over on the left, under Turnkey Solutions, you've got the building part of it, creating the assembly lines, the robotic applications, even entire automated warehouses. And on the right, under Testing Solutions, you've got the validating part, making absolutely sure the products, especially really complex ones like EV components, meet every single quality standard. But successfully pulling all this off requires a lot more than just cool ideas. It demands a rock-solid foundation of deep experience and a seriously sophisticated toolkit to make sure every single project is a success. And this right here is a huge advantage. The leadership at Ete brings over 3 decades of hands-on experience from working with global automotive giants. We're talking Jaguar Land Rover, Tata, Ford, and General Motors. That kind of background gives them this incredible understanding of what it really takes to succeed in this industry. But experience is only one part of the equation. They also use world-class methodologies. Things like Six Sigma and lean manufacturing help optimize efficiency and get rid of waste. They use something called PFMEA, which stands for Process Failure Mode and Effects Analysis. It's basically a powerful way to find and fix potential problems before they ever happen. This super structured, data-driven approach is absolutely key to ensuring quality, safety, and keeping costs down.
And then they have the physical muscle to back up all that brain power. Ete Robotics operates out of a state-of-the-art facility, a massive space where they can design, build, and test these unbelievably complex systems all under one roof.
In today's world where everything is so specialized, even the top experts have to rely on collaboration. If you're going to build the next generation of automated factories, you need strategic, world-class partnerships. It's that simple.
And recently, Ete has launched into a whole new era of collaboration, making a really significant move to bring the world's absolute best technology into their solutions.
Okay, this is a total game changer. Ete Robotics is now the official partner for Hyundai Robotics across India. This partnership lets them seamlessly integrate one of the world's top robotics brands into their turnkey solutions, all the way from the first sale to the final project execution.
And this partnership with Hyundai isn't just a one-off thing. It's part of a much bigger global strategy. It fits right in with their other collaborations, like their technology partnership with T-Tech from Italy for advanced testing systems. The whole goal is to find the best-in-class technology from anywhere in the world for every single project.
So what does this all mean for the future? Well, it means the way we make things is just getting smarter, faster, and way more connected.
This is really where it all comes together. Systems integrators like ETE are literally building the future of manufacturing. They're creating the infrastructure for the EV revolution. They're putting in AI-powered vision systems for quality control. They are the architects of Industry 4.0, connecting machines with the Internet of Things, or IoT, and using systems like MES and SCARA to watch over the entire production process from one central spot. They are, truly, building the future, one automated factory at a time.
So, the next time you see an electric car or any amazing piece of modern tech, you'll have a bit of a deeper appreciation for the master puzzle solvers who made it all possible. And that kind of leaves us with a big question. As automation continues